Hello friends, you must have heard about MCP, but have you heard about UTCP, a new protocol in market? Is UTCP superior alternative to MCP? In this video, we are going to cover the differences between Model Context Protocol and Universal Tool Calling Protocol. What to expect in this video? Introduction of MCP UTCP, overview of both designs, quick overview of their differences, and analysis of each of their difference, and future of both in AI communication protocols. Let's start with the introduction. Model Context Protocol and Universal Tool Calling Protocol are both frameworks designed to handle AI agents to interact with external tools and resources. They aim to standardize how language models access functions, retrieve information to perform actions. Ultimately, their purpose is to bridge AI capabilities with existing infrastructure and data sources. This is a high-level design of Model Context Protocol where LLM is connected to data server through MCP servers. And this is a design for Universal Tool Calling Protocol where LLM and AI agents are directly connected with HTTP servers. These are the key differences we are going to cover in this video. The first one is tool discovery. Basically how agent discovers provided tools. Then we have protocol support or transport support. Then we have authentication, how each handles authentication. Then we have streaming, how streaming works in both protocols. Then we have implementation complexity, what does it take to build servers using these protocols. Then we have performance, how fast LLM can retrieve external data using these protocols. And finally, the evolution is speed, how fast server using these protocols can evolve over time. Now let's jump into details on these differences. The first one is tool discovery. In MCP approach, an AI agent discovers available tool by interacting with an MCP server. And in UTCP, tools are provided by server called tool provider. It is also called tool manual. And the same red server can also behave as a tool provider. Next is the protocol support. MCP currently only supports streamable HTTP and STDIO transport, whereas UTCP is designed to support all common protocols. Then we have authentication. In MCP, authentication is handled by MCP server. It needs to reinvent solution for authentication and security. UTCP uses server's native authentication. It leverages existing infrastructure for authentication and security. Next one is streaming. MCP provides built-in mechanism for streaming, especially through streamable HTTP, which can utilize server-side event. And in UTCP, it supports streaming by allowing use of specific provider types designed for streaming protocols such as SSE, WebSockets, and HTTP stream. Implementation complexity. In MCP, the implementation complexity is high. MCP follows middleman approach, which necessitates building and maintaining wrapper servers for existing tools. Whereas UTCP eliminates wrapper server by acting just as a manual that describes how to call tools directly. The performance. MCP comes with additional overhead due to the proxy server, whereas UTCP enables direct interaction between agent and tools, resulting in a single network hop. Now the evolution speed. Changes or updates to MCP protocols require all participating components to update and maintain compatibility. In UTCP architecture, it is based on diverse independent provider types. This allows for much faster evolution. Now this is my take on future of AI protocols. MCP will keep growing thanks to its wide adoption and providing better context for LLMs. On the other hand, UTCP might witness a slow adoption, but considering its benefits, it will become first choice for many projects. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.